Are you tired of digging through menus trying to find your affiliate links? Get your unique referral link in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to click inside Whop to grab your link. Just follow these 5 simple steps. First, log into your Whop account using your credentials. Then, click on Affiliates in the left sidebar. Now, click on Refer Buyers to get started. Next, click on View All to see available options. Finally, click on Become Affiliate to complete the process. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.